This video is for Uncle Jim. Hey, I remembered what the video was I was going to do. Using a little hook tool to open up the crimp on the shells for the hobo slugs. You can get down in the hole there and move over to that one side and press it up against your thumb. And do the others. Kind of keeps them uniform and stuff. It's just something I figured out. I don't know. Works for me. Somewhere I got a can for the shot. Anyway, you dump out your shot, obviously, and do your thing. I'll show you on the Federal here. Pretty simple stuff. Get them opened up for you nice and easy. Alright, Jim, just a quick video, show you the tip we talked about on the one-on-one, which was a lot of fun, by the way. Thanks again. We'll talk to you all soon.